Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY Daily. First, my little disclaimer, this is no financial advice, my own opinion and estimates. My estimates could be completely wrong. Don't trust, always verify, understand the numbers, be aware of scammers, and you know the best how to invest your money. Please be aware that I'm invested right now in Hive Blockchain, Argo Blockchain, Bitfarms, ATH, KR1 and Galaxy Digital. Okay, let's jump right into it. We have Bitcoin has a new all-time high, 51,760 or so. We broke out of this channel here today, of this, here the resistance at 51,000. And it was not a crazy breakout like a Elon Musk pump or something like this. It was a slow and steady growth here. And I really like this one because that means that the RSI is not going crazy on the daily. We are right now at 76 or something like this. So I don't have to go big into cash right now because I will start at 80. And that's what I like. I really like it to be in these stocks, but soon I will have to move into cash because the risk of a correction increases when the RSI increases. And right now on the daily we are at 75, 76, something like this. So I have a little bit more time here to make more gains. So Bitcoin very good here, 5% in green. Ethereum 2.5%, Litecoin 8%, very nice. Polkadot every day new all-time high right now. They're close to 32 US dollars here. They are moving so good. That's very good for KR1. Then we have Hive, again a very good day here, 14%. The last few days from $3 to $5.50 Canadian dollars. So they nearly doubled here. So I always said they will have this breakout, and it happened. So then we have HUD8 just 7% today. They are due for a bigger breakout. This will happen soon, I guess. I think HUD8 is right now the most misunderstood miner of our miners here. I think, a lot of other companies, they say what they want to do, and HUD8 does it. And yeah, but the price is not doing so good right now. So that's why I'm increasing my position again right now. I really like this company. They have more than 3,000 Bitcoins on their balance sheet. They have the highest hash rate right now with 1,073 petahash. And yeah, that's what I like. The fundamentals will always win. It will take some time to get there, but it's no problem for me to wait. Yeah, also Bitfarms is starting very good right now here with 14%, very nice. Argo Blockchain again between 10 and 17%, which exchange you choose here. So it's above 4 US dollars, so it looks very nice right now. But it increased like more than 100% in the last few days. So the RSI and so on is very high. Yes. Then we have Riot here, again 20%, so Riot is a monster. It's really crazy. It seems like they want to shoot up to 100 US dollars straight. I don't know whether it's gonna happen. I really missed this one. Next time I will stay in Riot, I guess, in the next correction. We will see. Okay, then we have Mara 8%, we have Galaxy Digital 2%. I'm scaling in right now into Galaxy Digital a little bit more, so I have right now 5% in my portfolio because right now they seemed a little bit slow, and that's why I moved into it. I like Galaxy Digital. They should have like 20,000 Bitcoins on their balance sheet right now, something like this. They're starting their own mining operation and so on. Yeah, then we have KR1, and it finally, every day it moves. It's always these crazy pumps here at the beginning of the market opening here. But if we put here the straight line, we are moving up right now. We are now at $2.90. So my short-term target is like 5 to 6 US dollars. So I think I will not sell big before this. Yes. Yeah, then we have 4UD. This is Cryptology Asset Group. They're rising. Very nice. I wanted to buy them, but I forgot. Okay, now they're 16% up. So I will wait a little bit, I guess. Yes, DMG 20%, and then we have Codebase Ventures. It's 66% up. So yes, they moved very nice. It's not in my portfolio. A lot of people recommended it to me, but I had no time to analyze. It was a little bit difficult to find out. Yeah, so congratulations if you have this one on your balance sheet. Okay, let's move on. So HUD8 announced today that their Bitcoin holdings surpassed 3,012, valued at 186 million Canadian dollars. So this is very nice. Huge holdings here for HUD8. I think they sold a lot in Q4 and in January. I think JV Leverton, when they started, I mean, they want to lock in some dollars to pay the electricity bills, to make these upfront payments and all this stuff at the beginning of the year. So for me, this number is very good. Yeah, and it means right now, I mean, in Q4 we have a revaluation like 50 to 60 million US dollars of these Bitcoin holdings, of these 2,851 Bitcoins they had on the balance sheet at the end of Q4. And now we're talking again about a revaluation within the last 45 days from more than 60 million, like 64 million US dollars or something like this, because the Bitcoins, they increased the price from 29,100 to 52,000 right now. So this is like 22,000 US dollars, 23,000 US dollars multiplied with 3,000. So this is like 65, 66 million US dollars in revaluation. And on top of this, we will have a very good mining revenue and a very good gross mining margin. So yeah, we will have an income like above 70 million, I guess, in Q1. I mean, or within the last 45 days. I mean, Q1 is still 1.5 months. So let's say Bitcoin goes to 60K at the end of this quarter. Yeah, or 70K, we could have 100 million income here for Hut 8. But you never know. I mean, Bitcoin could end this quarter at 40,000 with a big correction or so. We never know. But I think right now it's more likely that we will rise. And yeah, the income for Hut 8 will be huge, I guess. And yeah, that's why I'm increasing my Hive, my Hut 8 position. I will show you my portfolio here right now. I'm up this week 28%, so another good week right now within 3 days. So I have KR1 here 26%, Galaxy Digital right now 5%, Hut 8 28%, Hive Blockchain 13%, Bitfarms 17%, and Argo Blockchain 11%. Yes, this is my portfolio right now. Yeah, I'm increasing Hut 8 right now. So I have another topic here. This is the Bitcoin mining farms in Texas offline from winter storm. I mean, they have huge winter storms right now in Texas there. They are not really prepared for this. But I think for mining companies, this is not a big issue. I mean, they shut down for a few days. Yeah, they're offline, but that's not the big issue, I guess. It would have been a lot bigger issue, like in when there's a flood in China, for example, and these miners get destroyed. This is a big problem. But to shut off for a few days because there's a lack of electricity, because a lot of thermal power plants and some wind turbines, they were frozen and the grids were damaged. So yeah, they have a huge lack of electricity right now of production here. And yes, and the good thing is that some mining farms are taking advantage of the situation by selling local residents their unused electricity. So in these times, these electricity prices can shoot up like 10,000%. This is really crazy. I know this from the electricity trading. I mean, Bitcoin is not volatile compared to electricity. I mean, one megawatt hour could cost, yeah, at one time it's at 10 US dollars, and in 15 minutes later, it's always traded in 15 minutes or in 1 hour contracts, depends. It could cost like 1,000 US dollars. It can go from 10 US dollars to 1,000 in the next 15 minutes, and in the next 15 minutes, it could go back to 10 US dollars, for example. So we have these crazy spikes because the production and the consumption of electricity have to be always in balance. And if it's not, yeah, they incentivize this with crazy prices that you, for example, shut down your production or shut down your consumption. Yeah. And if you, in Germany, we call this control energy. You can participate there if you're a big consumer or producer. And when the grid says, okay, we have too much electricity in the grid, please shut down, you get money for this. So sometimes it could be, you can make more money with shutting down your operation than with producing. And yeah, that's a lot of companies are taking advantage of this, because in Germany we have a lot of renewables, like 50% or so in the grid, and that's why it's not very stable. And yeah, we need these mechanisms to keep it stable. So people shutting off their production, and then it stabilizes and they get a lot of money for this. And when there is not enough electricity in the grid, you get money if you shut down your production. and then you stabilize the grid, and then you get money for this. So this is a very interesting thing, and I think that's what these mining companies are doing there. This is not a big problem. Sometimes you can make more money with not producing. So by Sunday, all types of energy sources, including nuclear plants, coal plants, and thermal generators, were falling off the grid due to the winter storm, Woodfin said. So yeah, they have a lack in production here, so there's not enough electricity in the grid, and that's why these mining companies are shutting down their Bitcoin production there, and they're incentivized for this, or some of them. I think Hive Blockchain is doing this in Sweden too. They were talking about this, that they receive money from the grid operator when they shut down, when there's a lack of electricity there. And I think ATH is doing this too in Alberta. I think the former CEO Andrew Kiggle said this 2 years ago in a call. I was there. He said that they're doing this, and that at that time there was always a spike in electricity demand in the morning there, always 15 minutes. And at that time they always shut it down, their production, because there was a huge spike in price, and they don't want to pay this high fee there. Yeah, mining farms in Kentucky have also been negatively affected by storms. So yeah, I don't know a mining operation in Kentucky, not a publicly traded miner, but yeah, I think there are some too. Okay, let's move on. The Bitcoin hash rate right now is dropping again, so very nice. We can see it here. It's slowing down. I think when the hash rate really will take off is April or May, when in China the wet season started. I mean, 60% of all the hash rate in the world is located in China, and when the wet season starts and there's a lot of rain, there's a lot of cheap hydropower. They have huge dams there, and I think that's when we see the hash rate really will take off. So right now these miners can mine very easily these Bitcoins. Not very easily, but it's not rising like crazy. So we can see it here. In the last, we will have this adjustment in 2 days and 4 hours. It's 0.7% estimated difficulty adjustment, so close to zero. Very nice for our miners here. So what's the data here? So Bitcoin is close to a $1 trillion market cap. Wow, congratulations here, Bitcoin. This is the first time when we surpass this. Yeah, the fees in Bitcoin are not so high. Also in Ethereum, yeah, they are still high, but we have seen higher fees here. The hash rate -6% here in Bitcoin. Yeah, in Ethereum it's rising every day here. We are now at 400 terahash. Mining profitability in Bitcoin close to 35 cents per day per terahash. So this is very good. And also Ethereum 11.75%. So yeah, Hive Blockchain still making like 400,000 a day or so. Very, very profitable. Yeah, and we can see the address is richer than $1. It's 31,245. I mean, a few days ago I was talking about this, and now it's 1 million more. It was 30,200 or so, 30,200,000. Sorry. And yeah, now it's 1 million more. So we can see the adoption here every day. Yeah, it's growing and growing right now. Okay, guys, so yeah, let's go back to Bitcoin. Oh wow, we have a new all-time high for 52,200. Wow, that's so nice. I think Bitcoin is now taking off here. That's very good to end this video with this. Also, KR1 is up 24%. I like. Yeah, I think these Canadian miners here will follow soon. This is delayed here a little bit, like 15 minutes, the price is here. I mean, I have the Pro Plus version here of TradingView, but it's still delayed. That's a little bit annoying. Yeah, but okay. It is what it is. Okay, guys, so another very good day for us. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.